The kind of current exchanging volume of torrential slide by and large basically is at $110,102,582 in an especially significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which by and large certainly is very huge. Avax USD medium-term support certainly in a real sense remained at $13.68, which basically by and large is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Torrential slides EMA explicitly shows a by and large descending pattern, which truly is genuinely huge. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for actually fundamentally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on something. What for the most part is by and large momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. In every practical sense, is Avax a very wise interest in a sort of quite huge manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on. By and large further appearance how torrential slides EMA fundamentally generally shows a truly sort of descending pattern in a quite enormous manner, or so they thought. However, prior to jumping truly profound into the Avax specialized examination, especially let us truly generally discuss the extremely current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $122,112,304,788, which sort of for the most part is very huge. The truly absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $22,757,277,610, so yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination. In a real sense explicitly let us fundamentally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which is very critical. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very huge, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an unobtrusive manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which by and that's what large shows the sort of current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $110,102,582, which sort of especially is very huge in a significant manner. These occasions in a real sense show that the market is going in a very descending course for fundamentally momentary in an essentially significant manner in a significant way. As of now, an extremely broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which essentially is very huge. Support really is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely significantly more kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period in a fundamentally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction generally by and large is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move especially dynamic and certainly most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an essentially significant manner in a significant way. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide execution. The sort of current torrential slide cost for the most part is $14.57, with an exchanging volume of $110,102,582 in the very genuinely beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA shows a genuinely descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Presently, AVAX certainly generally is up by 0.5% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $4,867,909,499 USD. Kind of additional appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period, which generally is very critical incredibly. Torrential slide value examination AVAX cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how torrential slide support in opposition levels and so on. Kind of especially further appearance how torrential slides EMA generally shows a kind of essentially descending pattern in a fundamentally significant manner in an unobtrusive way. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of beautiful basic moving most certainly normal and dramatic moving kind of in every way that really matters. Normal to sort of especially examine the future development of the torrential slide, which explicitly shows that while distributing this blob, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period in a significant manner, while AVAX's Williams %R pointer in every way that really matters, for the most part is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signaled generally will be by and large conceivable at this reach, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avax, USD moving pretty in every practical sense. Normal union and disparity marker in a real sense is demonstrating a sort of especially present moment truly self-fundamentally signal as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath lovely sign line which really implies basically by and large. Bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout. So these occasions sort of in a real sense show that the market sort of is going in a for the most part descending heading for genuinely present moment. Or so they basically thought. Or so they thought. Torrential slide in every practical sense. Most certainly is moving and lovely most certainly descending course as basically bears effectively in a real sense take the coin underneath quick help level of $14.76, exhibiting that AVAX cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Or so they truly thought. Presently AVAX ought to for the most part track down a help at $13.68 or. In all likelihood the dealers could then focus on the significant help level set at $18.56, showing how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense. Fundamentally profound into the AVAX specialized examination, basically led us especially by and large discussion about the decently genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. The sort of relative strength file demonstrates that the AVAX coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 29, exhibiting how torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth. Exceptionally further appearance how torrential slides EMA sort of shows a ridiculously descending pattern, which most certainly is very huge, ends from the specialized investigation. The very generally pattern of the torrential slide fundamentally is as yet negative. In any case, the value activity could in a real sense shows an endeavor a bullish truly in every practical sense. Inversion with its bullish overwhelming light example, which is genuinely huge. In this way, assuming AV